Wow, so shaky.
On the way back, trying to the arch for picture.
嗨，我们要展开今天的行程了。上船，我们等下要去浮潜。现在要去看一个 arch， 它是海浪跟岩石形成的一个拱门样的岩石。希望我不要晕船。
So this is where the good snorkeling is?
You see the buoys? See the buoys over there inside of the buoy?
Yeah, okay.
Wow! Wow!
Oh! So just don't get too close of the rock because there's a lot of barnacles
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
on the
Right,
rock.
yeah, okay.
So stay away from the barnacles.
Sounds good. This is Lovers Beach. It's supposed to be calmer on this side. The other side of that opening is Divorce Beach. It's on the Pacific side, and the water is a lot crazier. You're not supposed to swim in Divorce Beach, I guess, unless you're trying to give someone a divorce.
Wow, I got a clear view. Whoa, look at this. Aw. Wow.
Scooby-Doo rock on the other side.
Oh yeah, Scooby-Doo. Oh yeah, that's a Scooby-Doo. Yeah, it looks like a dog.
So please listen to me, okay?
Okay.
Welcome to the Pelican Beach. Good morning. It's very important. Don't forget the name of the boat. What is the name of the boat? Sex machine. What time is it you at?
1 o'clock, right?
Perfect.
Yeah, one.
When you're ready for leaving, let me know. We got radio or phone so can call the boat, okay?
Sounds good.
The best place for swimming and the snorkeling is only inside the boat lines. Please.
Okay.
Inside, okay? Or we can put it
OK，我们买了一个阳伞，在这边遮个阳。然后我们的船应该等一下1个小时以后会来接我们，那我们就会在这边浮潜。那个浪好高哦。
Let's go snorkeling.
Ready to go in?
Do it. Buckle up.
OK，我要下水了。超难走的，我放弃浮潜了。我刚试着要走进水里，但是那个浪真的太大，这边有很多岩石，所以我就是很有心理障碍。然后它的浪就是打来真的很强，所以我是有点害怕下去。看它这浪真的都蛮大的。 就算在岸边，浪也是很大，所以就比较害怕一点。其实如果再往前走一点，应该还好，但是我自己就是很害怕。太害怕的话，我就不想强迫自己去做太害怕的事情，所以就让 Brian 去。Brian 对水性比较好，所以我就上来岸上等他。GoPro 也给他了，所以希望他可以带回一些好看的画面。OK，Brian 说要带我下水，我再试一次吧。
Here we go.
I did it！ 我刚刚下海了，还是蛮恐怖的，但我看到鱼哦，是那种彩色的鱼。但如果再往前一点，水比较稳的地方，可以看得更清楚。我刚刚在的地方比较浊一点，但是我真的是有点害怕走太远，我很怕回不来，然后又很怕会撞到岩石。刚刚看到那些，我觉得应该就够了，但不知道，可能我等一下还会再下去一次，先休息一下。Brian 又再次下海了，他在这边。
Did it! Is your bird friend over there? Your bird friends. They're looking rock. Okay, be careful, let's go. Oh!
What is it?
Pirate's Cave.
Pirate's Cave. Cool.
The Nobu Hotel's over there.
Oh, there's people on there.
Yeah.
水超级蓝的，代表这个地方很深。搭船回来岸上了，然后刚刚那个人又带我们去绕了一下，看了一些很美丽的风景。但其实他应该带我们去更多点，但可能是因为浪太大，所以没有去到全部的点。现在在这个港边坐下来，点了午餐，先来了一盘虾，配面包，午餐。